What's up guys, welcome back to my Apartment Simulator 19 video. So today we just got done from the last part of this. So we have the wood chipper all stacked up, and right now we want to hit the log trailer. We still have that big beast, but I talked to JD and he said just return the lease. So he said to do that, and then now he just says it's gonna charge me for it, and then he'll just take it off my bill eventually after it's all done. So I need to do this. So he will be paying me for this, so I just needed to take a little money from my paycheck. Not from my paycheck, from our account. So that way I can just afford this, and then I'll just do it back. He just wants to give back to our company because he loves working for us. He loves doing all of that. He loves this tree service. Well, not tree service, log actually. So yeet, yeet. So what I'm probably going to do now is cut down a few more of these trees. We're just trying to open up this area a little bit. Actually, no, I already cut down one of these trees. Okay, so now what we're going to do, I'm going to buy this truck, because we don't have enough money. Let's lease it then. And then let's also lease a trailer. Oh no, not that one. This one I can buy because cheap enough, and I just don't want to lease it because trailers are a little different. I like to keep my own trailer because I don't want to have to give it back and stuff. I just don't want to. Here's a logo. Anyway, so we will be heading basically up that little road a little bit. Oh, come on, man. It will have to be a little unrealistic for a minute. Yee. Yee yee. That's what I mean by, like, this trailer sucks. Well, it doesn't suck necessarily. It's just really bad for loading this particular item up on. So, oof. Look at that wheel. Sad, man. Okay, I guess we will not be taking this trailer. Oof. Let's owned items. That means we won't need this leased item that I just leased anymore. I don't really want to be taking this that way. So I have to be unrealistic for a little bit, guys. Yeah, I'm sorry, but it's just going to take a little too long. We don't have all day. So that will be to head start for us. The cut length is going to be 7. Let's see, yeah, let's do 7. So I need to cut down this tree. I just don't want it. So I might like put a parking spot here or something. figure something out to go there. I really want to do like a parking spot over here. But I think that'll be cool. We can have like a little parking area. I mean, I'm trying, might make hotels out of this, so that's what I said in the last one. I don't know if I posted that one, but that server, we tried to build a few trees down to finish that one area quickly, and we quickly realized there were still so many trees on the ground that the server glitched out and poured that ruckus, so that was not the best day for us. I'll tell you that right now. We worked so hard on that server! It's all I did was needed to see those trees. But, life's life, guys. So now, we're only going to be doing the ones that get in our way for a decent amount, for a decent time. Or like ones that are like really close, like this one. Half the leaves are on the thing, so we don't want any of our trucks to get ruined. Well, especially like the big dump trucks as we move farther and farther on. But our main goal is to clear this whole. There's a big road that leads to the gas station as well, but right now we're only clearing this, and then we're going to clear the way to the gas from the gas station. Probably. So I suppose that'll be the way we do it. So probably right around as soon as this tree's done, I'll probably end up turning that off and going to go grab the log truck and basically gonna be picking up these logs and stuff. So here's the nice red log truck. Got the log truck. It's unstrapping. And first stop is right here. There'll probably be a tree service later as well. So this is, I just like this log in general. If you guys haven't watched last time, I forgot if I addressed it or not, but this is a new map. I don't exactly remember the name at the moment, but I will be letting you guys know as soon as I remember this, as soon as I find out the name. Probably when I was editing this video, I'll probably remember the name or something. I'll just send it. I'll just put it in the description. Or if I don't remember, then I'll try to tell you guys on the stream. Just one of you guys just ask me on the stream. I probably if YouTube lets us stream again, like, I don't know, I switch my one time I started a live stream and I switched my tab and then they like blocked us from streaming, which is super dumb. So we'll have to take a look into that. So if when we get back to streaming, just let I'll probably should go that later. Do I want to stream? I like streaming, but I can't, so yeah. I'll have to talk to YouTube about that. Anyway, let's load this suckers up. That's too much. Yeet! Let's load this up right here. And what I'm doing, because I don't have it, there's this mod that you have to get to press, and then you press F4, and then it basically shows you the whole thing where there's stumps and stuff, but right now, for now, I'm just gonna put like a little, like, I don't know, cement thing or something, like, landscape tool, what's, like this, and then there's like, oh, there's something there. And then that's how I'll find where the stumps are. Just in case I feel like really and stuff. If there's stuff there, I won't really see that. And then obviously I'll see the one that's in this road. Like right there. I have one right there, I have one. So yeah, those are just gonna help me out a little bit better. And when I want to find the stumps, I can find them easy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Hopefully this F600 can do it. Climb this big mountain. It's gonna be really hard for her, but I have faith in her. Trust me guys, I have faith in my old truck. Even though she's old, she's still a beauty. Oh shit, bottomed out. Let me fix that a little bit. But going down, I'll have to be careful too, because I need to have, because these brakes aren't the best. So, I have to keep that in mind too. I bet you this load is going to be 20,000 hours, give or take. But most likely around 20,000. It's going to be my particular guess. Doesn't mean I'll be right, doesn't mean I'll be wrong. Just my particular guess is 20,000. No. Yeah, $20,750. Or $20,700 something dollars is what I want to say. And no, I can't set something to choose how much I get per thing. So I'm just guessing 20k. Give or take, obviously. Let's cut down one more tree, because I can fit this plus like a whole nother tree on this truck, and it's probably not going to be the best idea. But I like to load these to the very tippy top, because these trucks, they're not the best for holding the most, but it saves you a few trips or two. So let's turn the front tool on, and let's grab tree, grab you, cut you. Now this is where it gets a little strange, but hey, it's worth it. Okay, and that's just what it does. Now it's all done. Let's put this back up again. I could probably fit like a decent tree or two, but we're probably gonna have to pass on that, just because I just don't want to fill it up too much where she's squatting. That wouldn't be good, but I also don't want to fill it too empty where we don't make enough money for that load. And I'm actually gonna cut that long tree. Probably too, but we'll have to just see. I will be switching mics again. I will be buying the same mic I used to have. So, stay tuned for that. Hopefully it comes soon. That's all I want to say. I'll have to actually let's order quickly right now, so that way it's easy. I have it on my order, so I just have to put it now. This is the one I got. Yep. October 20th. No. Oops. Oh. Oh, there's my one. Okay. I'm not gonna buy that anymore then. So, yeah, let's go. Back to cutting this tree down then. Well, that makes life a lot easier for me. So, yeah. I just wanted to make sure I dropped it as I adjust it. So this will probably be like my perfect load so far. I don't want to mess up my so far perfect load. I've never had such a good load in my life. Okay, now I regret saying this is gonna be around 20,000. It's definitely gonna be more. That's because I've cut so much. So yeah, I will be switching to that mic soon, hopefully. Like I just said, I would be switching back to that mic soon, just because I know for a fact it's the mic I'm using. I'm using a streaming mic currently, but I don't think it's that good because on my OBS Studios, I'm gonna have to reinstall OBS and all that, but like on my OBS Studio, plus on my game bar, they both sound shit, but on my game bar when I have my own mic, they actually sound surprisingly good. So, yeah. Okay, we got all that. Let's strap it down. Okay, this is gonna be a big load, big ass load coming through. Probably gonna be around. I'm probably gonna say around 25k, give or take. Jace would probably say this would be 30k. Like, he could be right, actually. 30k for this one? Probably. Oh, she's a tippin', boys. I'm gonna say around 25 to 29k. 29 to 30k. 29. 20,000. That's it? How did I only get 20,000 for that? Load. That's impressive, honestly. 20, wow. Okay, so I think I want to end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. We still have these rentals for another week or so. But thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for next one. And subscribe for more.